played 2 games. Is that all it takes to get ranked?
Rip. No. There goes my carry.
Wait, can we not play now?
No, because you're silver 1 and I'm iron 2. Alright, so their iron 1 account is the only one that is like good for us. Yeah, Blake, we're trying to get your rank up, right?
Yeah.
Blake,
You know,
why do you suck, Blake?
No, oh no.
It doesn't have your main.
It doesn't have breach.
Rip. What's up, guys? Make sure you use my code cornflakes for 10% off of Rogue Energy.
They're going A. Whoever Phoenix is, don't give up mid. Do not give up mid. We have to hold mid.
Last player standing.
Rip.
One enemy remaining.
Up in heaven.
Oh.
I don't know if I've seen a worse player than our core boy. Omen! They're planting B. Brody, stay there.
Spike planted.
Spike planted.
Raise
One
this week.
enemy remaining.
He's like, I'll take.
I have right here. Good pick.
Oh, okay. Alright, quickly just.
On to you as soon as you got.
Last player standing.
Killjoy just got smacked. Good job, Omen.
80 on.
I should have saved.
He's gonna just turn guns back.
There can only be one.
Back up. Oh my. Wait, why'd we just give up heaven? Yeah, please get in there.
The hunt begins.
One enemy remaining.
Triple baby.
He couldn't. It's Jet. I meant the person's a
1
sniper.
sec. Nice.
God, it's 12 o'clock.
Last player.
Good try.
Oh.
Please kill her.
One enemy.
Going, I guess, full send. Yeah.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, cornflakes with the crucial kill, and they get the round.
Oh, Raze is coming! Good job.
Great.
Okay, there's another one up here. Can you flash?
Hold on.
Come on, let's go!
One enemy remaining.
Wait.
Last player standing.
Yes. Good throw. No.
Pog.
Good job, Brody. We need your flash. You're our entry factor, Connor. Good job,
Pog
Brody.
champ.
God, Brody, you're popping off.
We're like a fruit juicer. Oh my god, he knifed her.
I'm literally doing.
Attackers win.
SMURF. It's called.
Oh.
Last defenders win.